Hey you! Tired of using your brain? Introducing the new and improved SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools. The new and improved SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools can't help you discern truth from fiction on the internet or help you make better financial decisions, but it can help you find the center of things. Fast, with no math or nothing. Now, the new and improved SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools can find even more centers than the old outdated SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools. Throw that thing away. No, seriously, don't. It's still great. Just the new one's a little bit better. What does the new and improved SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools do? Well, it finds the middle of things. Fast. What else? Nothing. Geez, what do you want from us? No more pesky measuring, no more pesky math, no more guessing, divining, or asking AI to help you perform basic tasks.
Where's the middle of this piece of wood?
Figure it out yourself, dummy.
Simply open the new and improved SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools until the outer points are at the edges and the middle point points to the middle. I minored in English. To use even less of your brain, use the brass pins to gently squeeze the edge of things, and the corresponding center hole to mark the middle. Even if you're crooked, your mark will be straight. So how is the new and improved SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools new and improved over the old SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools? It now measures things even smaller, like a whole quarter of an inch smaller. Plus, you can still use the less accurate handles to find the center of large things with a little more accuracy. Well, a little. It's still 100% made in the USA, mostly by hand, and uses reclaimed wood for the handles because it's cheaper. The environment. Does it cost more than the original SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools? Of course it does, but only a couple dollars more, so relax. And you can still get them only at SqWAYretools.com. Anyone else selling the original SqWAYre from SqWAYre Tools is a dirty, rotten cheat.
All right, I had my fun. I made my silly little commercial, but I'll just show you really quickly some of the changes to the SqWAYre design. I've been making them this way for several years, and then a little while ago, about a year ago, I started making this mini version, which I still think there's a place for the mini version in your toolbox, but maybe even only the mini version. But I want to show you what I did now with this redesign. Basically, the only thing I did is I took these points on the front and bent them in like the mini so I could get to smaller distances, about 1/8 of an inch, and find the center of smaller spaces. And the only trade-off to that was at its full width, I lose about a quarter of an inch or so of measuring space from there. But I thought that was worth it, and then I added this extended center arm here for this less accurate measurement, because it's just not designed to measure from this side, but I just try to utilize it. And so that should make up for that missing quarter of an inch. So you can see, and I always want to point this out too, if you use these brass pins, you'll see that they're lined up with that center hole. You want to use those in conjunction, and then you want to use the points in conjunction. You don't want to use the brass pins with the point, and I'll show you why. If you take these brass pins and you squeeze your piece of wood, I can find the center very easily, like that. But if I try to use the point, I could accidentally rack it and be a little bit crooked, and here I'm doing a very obvious rack, and you can see then that point is not actually the center. So use the brass pins with the hole, use the points together. So I can now find, like, say, the side of this, I would use the point, not the hole, for the same reason. For getting the more accurate sort of measurements than the brass pins for bigger things. So now suppose I wanted to find the center of this larger piece of wood. I can't quite make it. I can use the handles, but because the handles aren't really designed to do it, I can accidentally rack it and be off. I have these brass pins here again. But if you visually set it up, you're probably going to get close enough to what you need to do for larger pieces of wood. And so for this, you can get things as wide as 12 inches. But the tips now, you can get all the way down to 1/8. And so that's really the only changes. I'm still just making them here myself in small batches and selling them only over at SqWAYretools.com. So if you want to get one of the new ones, you can grab those. There's the first batch is in stock, and when they sell out, I'll make some more. As for the old one, I have a few of these left in stock, and they're a couple dollars less than the new ones, just because stuff gets more expensive every year. And you can grab some of the last of those. I don't think I'll be making these anymore. I'll probably stick with this one for a little while until I make some other redesign. And then, of course, there's also the mini, which is like half the cost. And so if you really need to just measure, find the center of smaller things, this is a great way to go. And you just, keep it in your pocket. All right. Thanks a lot. Appreciate all your support. SqWAYretools.com. See you over there.